Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. So what will change? Now that we've got a new president, but we still have the same corrupt politicians in the Senate and in the House. So what will change? In my opinion, not a whole lot. But we have to give Joe Biden the opportunity to prove himself, one way or the other. He can either prove himself to be good for the American people, or he can prove himself to be bad for the American people. But he is the president-elect. There's nothing we can do about it right now. So we have to pray that he will do what's right for the American people. With his election results, he does need our respect and our understanding. Also, the office of the president needs our respect. We can get so much done if we all work together on one same page. Y'all, we don't know what he can do. We have to give him a chance. Will he be able to do anything? I'm not sure. Deep inside my mind, I don't think he can, because he's going to be facing the same problems that President Trump faced. President Trump faced opposition on everything with the House. He could eventually get the approval from the Senate. Well, now Joe Biden is facing the same thing, but he's going to be facing opposition from the Senate. He can get the approval from the House. So really, he's facing the same battle that Donald Trump faced. Can he get something done? We can only hope and pray. But we have to stick together as Americans. And when we're in public on like television, on the news, on YouTube, more we bash our country and our leaders, the worse we look to the rest of the world. Because we are under a microscope every day, whether we know it or not. The rest of the world is watching. So we have to stick together. A house divided cannot stand. And we're crumbling at the seams. It's up to us to rebuild America and face tomorrow with a great expectation of good things to come. If we don't, we're doomed. We can be bitter, we can be full of hate, we can spew bad words, or we can take the high road. I'm choosing the high road. I may get kicked in the teeth, only time will tell. But I refuse to be a victim. I'm going to push forward for tomorrow as a better tomorrow for me and my family. I encourage you to do the same thing. We will get out of this. We will be better for it. We can rebuild our country. But we can't do it single-handedly. We have to stick together and make it happen. We have to protect ourselves from COVID. We have to do what the medical community is saying we need to do if we're ever going to get past it. That's wearing a mask and social distancing at least 6 feet apart. I don't see very many people doing that when I go to the post office or to the store. I just don't see it happening. Y'all, we have to do the right thing, and we will get out of this. I have 100% confidence that my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, will bring us through this storm. Y'all say a prayer for our country, say a prayer for our leaders. No matter who they are, they need prayer. Say a prayer for the people that's been touched by COVID. Say a prayer for the people that's been touched by the dealings of our government. Ask God to put his healing hand over the United States and the world. Because In the big picture, we're not just the United States. We are the world. All boats rises with the tides. We have to bring everybody up, not just us, not just our next door neighbor. We need to bring the world up. And the only way we can do that is through prayer. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up and your comments. Until the next time, ciao.